Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're exploring a timeless piece of British luxury and engineering, the 1966 Jaguar XJ-S C. This classic Grand Tourer is a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and innovation that set new standards in automotive design during its time. The Jaguar XJ-S C from 1966 is an iconic car that exudes sophistication with its sleek lines, long hood, and luxurious touches. It was built for those who desired performance without compromising on comfort. The C in its name represents the coupe styling, which adds a refined edge to this masterpiece. Under the hood, the XJ-S C featured a robust V12 engine that was both powerful and smooth, delivering a driving experience like no other. With its rear-wheel drive and advanced suspension, the car offered excellent handling and a comfortable ride, making it ideal for both spirited drives and long-distance cruising. Inside, the XJ-S C was all about luxury. Premium leather seats, wood-trimmed accents, and a driver-focused dashboard created an ambience of elegance. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement of class and prestige. The 1966 Jaguar XJ-S C remains a celebrated classic among enthusiasts and collectors. Its timeless design and remarkable engineering make it a standout in Jaguar's rich history. Whether you're an admirer of classic British cars or just appreciate fine craftsmanship, this car is a true gem. Thank you for tuning in to Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into automotive legends. See you next time.